Trendz TV presents the ultimate look at the 2026 Geely EX5, a compact SUV that's quietly redefining what value and style mean in this segment. From the moment you see it on the road, the EX5 demands attention without shouting for it. It's sleek, modern, and surprisingly sophisticated for its class, making it perfect for both city driving and weekend adventures. Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from the front bumper to the rear lights, inside the cabin, under the hood, and finally, the price that makes this SUV one of the most compelling options on the market. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. Looking at the front of the 2026 Geely EX5, the design immediately strikes a balance between boldness and elegance. The grille is more refined than its predecessors, featuring a subtle yet aggressive pattern that gives the SUV a confident face. Flanking the grille are full LED headlights that are sharp, bright, and efficient, with daytime running lights forming a distinctive pattern that's instantly recognizable. The front bumper is sculpted to complement the overall design, with chrome accents and integrated fog lights adding a touch of sophistication. The hood features gentle contours that lead the eye naturally to the windshield, giving the EX5 a dynamic and purposeful stance. The overall impression is of a vehicle that looks modern and premium without appearing overdone, and it's a design that can appeal to a wide range of buyers. Now, moving to the side profile, the EX5 presents a shape that's both muscular and sleek. A strong shoulder line runs across the doors, giving a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The roofline slopes gently towards the rear, maintaining a sporty silhouette while preserving interior headroom. Wheel arches are slightly pronounced, housing alloy wheels ranging from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim, which add presence and confidence on the road. Side mirrors are aerodynamically shaped with integrated turn signals, and higher trims feature flash door handles that enhance the smoothness of the profile. The side view perfectly balances style with practicality, showing that the EX5 is designed to be as functional as it is visually appealing. Imagine yourself cruising down the street in this SUV. It really makes a statement without trying too hard. At the rear, the Geely EX5 finishes its exterior design with elegance and functionality. The tailgate is wide and practical, giving easy access to a spacious cargo area. Taillights are fully LED and extend slightly onto the tailgate, creating a cohesive and stylish rear appearance. A subtle roof spoiler adds a touch of sportiness while also aiding aerodynamics. The rear bumper is clean and well integrated, with chrome exhaust tips and a diffuser-style lower section adding to the overall premium feel. The design manages to convey robustness without feeling bulky, and it perfectly complements the front and side aesthetics. Every angle of this SUV seems carefully crafted to impress while remaining practical for everyday life. Interior. Moving inside, the 2026 EX5 is surprisingly upscale for its segment. The cabin combines comfort, technology, and thoughtful design in a way that makes it feel more premium than many of its competitors. Materials are soft to the touch, and the layout is intuitive. The dashboard is dominated by a large infotainment screen with responsive touch controls and crisp graphics, while a minimal number of physical buttons ensure a clean and modern look. Higher trims offer a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable for speed, navigation, and vehicle information. Seats are supportive and comfortable, upholstered in high-quality fabric or leather depending on the trim, with ample legroom for rear passengers. Storage solutions are clever and plentiful, with compartments for personal items, cup holders, and a center console that keeps things organized. Ambient lighting adds sophistication at night, enhancing the overall experience. It's the kind of interior that makes long drives relaxing while keeping the driver fully in control. And yes, the EX5 even offers convenient features like wireless phone charging and multiple USB ports, perfect for tech-savvy families or anyone who loves to stay connected on the go. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Geely EX5 is powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine producing around 180 horsepower, depending on the variant. It comes paired with either a smooth CVT or a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. While this SUV isn't built for racing, it delivers reliable acceleration for city commutes and highway cruising. Steering is responsive and precise, giving the driver confidence around corners or in tight urban traffic. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, maintaining stability while keeping the ride comfortable. Fuel efficiency is competitive in the compact SUV segment, which is a big plus for daily driving. The EX5 also comes equipped with advanced safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, providing peace of mind on every journey. Imagine taking a long trip with family. You have space, comfort, and advanced safety features all in one package. It's practical, smart, and easy to drive. Pricing for the 2026 Geely EX5 is competitive and represents excellent value for money. The base model comes well equipped with essential technology, safety features, and a comfortable interior at a price point that undercuts many rivals. Mid-range trims add luxuries like leather upholstery, larger wheels, and more advanced infotainment options. The top-tier trims include premium features such as a panoramic sunroof, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an upgraded sound system, making the EX5 feel truly upscale. For buyers looking for a compact SUV with style, comfort, tech, and safety all at a reasonable price, the EX5 is hard to beat. In summary, the 2026 Geely EX5 is a well-rounded SUV that delivers on almost every front. Its exterior design is bold yet refined, its interior is comfortable and loaded with technology, and its performance is reliable and efficient. When you factor in pricing, it offers one of the most compelling value propositions in its segment. The EX5 doesn't try to compete with luxury brands, but it doesn't need to. Instead, it focuses on providing exactly what most buyers want: a stylish, comfortable, and practical SUV with modern features and strong performance. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out for a weekend getaway, the 2026 Geely EX5 proves itself as a versatile, stylish, and reliable choice. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 Geely EX5 here on Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth car reviews, comparisons, and everything automotive. Stay tuned because Trendz TV is where cars come to life, and you won't want to miss our upcoming videos.